how to install Soundboks app. So let's just try it out. So just tap get and then double click to install. Then you'll just be able to install it. So this is the app to connect to Soundboks devices and then just manage all the settings. You can turn on the volume, add some bass, and all of these things. Just control your sounds, more speakers, less. So yeah, just super convenient. If you have a Soundboks device, then definitely give a try to this app. This app is compatible with Soundboks Go and Soundboks Generation 3 and not compatible with Generation 2 and Generation 1. And then you can just open it up. You can just start here. Need to go and enable a Bluetooth. And then you can just basically create an account here just with Apple easily, and then you can proceed with then when you have your Bluetooth enabled, you just need to wait a bit and connect your Soundboks. It should be scanning and you should select the Soundboks to control, and then you will be able to see all the settings. If you see all the devices connected, you can add some bass, you can set indoor settings, you can set some power, some custom settings, and so just that's basically how it works. Then you can also get some support, and then there is a profile. If you want, you can delete your account. You can add or remove some devices from here. That's basically that.